put capo on 4 in standard tuning. Chords are going to be C, A minor, E major, F. So C is open 3, 2, open 1, open. Open 3, 2, open 1, open. And you go to A minor, leave your pointer on 1 down here, and move your ring finger to the 4th string, 2nd fret. Open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. And then move this shape straight down. I guess up, down, I don't know. But put your pointer on 1st fret here, and 2 and 2 on your 2nd and 3rd string. So 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. That's E. And then move back to F. So bring your pointer down to the 5th string, 1st fret. And your middle finger, 4th string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 3rd fret. This is F. Open, open, 3, 2, 1, open. It's open, open, 3, 2, 1, open. C, A minor, E major, F. You'll get it.